Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. So today we are going to do some beautiful flowers in the vase. To start, just start sketching out your flowers. Just a rough area of what you're going to create is enough. You don't need to draw all the details using your pencil. When you're happy with your drawing, it's watercolor time. With the mixture of blue paint, just add some purple and start painting some flowers. When you think you've done enough flowers, just add a bit of red or pinky color to paint the snowberries. Make sure you do enough snowberries because they add a touch of red and pink and it makes it more beautiful. When flowers are done, mix a darker shade of green using green, ultra blue and burnt amber to add some details to the leaves using your small brush. Use the same color, just really allow to your brush to make some stalks and bend them together naturally. Add a bit of brown or even black to make a mixture to add details to our vase. Just make sure you outline with a very small brush. And then add lots of water in your paint, make it very watery and add the water in the vase. A very simple but beautiful watercolor art. Congratulations on your creation. So next one is very exciting. I can't wait to share it with you, but until that time, stay tuned and I see you next time.